In this video I want to talk about Evolution AB and the UK situation because it's not as bad as you think. A few weeks ago the UK Gambling Commission started an investigation against Evolution AB and a lot of people panicked. So in this video I will give you some elements that will maybe avoid you some stress. I will comment on this wonderful thread from the Real Madrid 94 about UK penalties. So he did some work about past UK penalties in the gambling sector, and you will see that it's not that big of a deal. By the way, if you are new to this YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Christophe Nour. I've been investing in the stock market for almost a decade now, and I have achieved a performance of 25% per year. And I own Evolution, so obviously I will be biased. This is 10% of my portfolio. Okay, let's start. UK Gambling Commission top 5 largest penalties. For those who are panicking or didn't do their homework regarding Evolution's UK situation, I was reading a Tegus interview from October 2024. See the picture attached. So that's here. And I started laughing. I came to the same conclusion. Let's see the UK Gambling Commission top 5 largest penalties and the reasons, so you can compare this to Evolution. So he highlights 5 situations where the UK Gambling Commission had a fine. Some of them, almost all of them, are operators. This is not the same business model as Evolution. Evolution makes games. So you can't do, a lot of money laundering if you make games. They just provide the games. They are not operating casinos. Anyway, the largest fine was for William Hill Group. That was £20 million in March 2023 for widespread social responsibility and anti-money laundering failures across multiple brands. They were aware of some information and didn't do anything. Okay, you have a fine. That's $20 million. Let's say dollars instead of pounds. It will be easier. $20 million is not nothing. Nothing. It's really, really small. To compare this, the market cap of Evolution is $15 billion. So we are talking about nothing here. Entain, the fine was same thing, $20 million in August 2022 for social responsibility and anti-money laundering failures. Same thing, they saw some elements of money laundering and they didn't do anything. Third fine for Caesars Entertainment UK. That is very much well known. £13 million in 2020 for social responsibility and anti-money laundering failures. Fourth fine, Betway, £11 million in 2020 for accepting stolen money and failing to protect vulnerable customers. Okay, now we are talking about peanuts, small amounts of money. And for 888 UK Limited, £10 million in March 2022 for social responsibility and money laundering failings, including allowing customers to deposit large sums without proper checks. These were fines for casino operators. You can do a lot of frauds if you are a casino operator. This is not what Evolution can do. This is not the same business model. You can have fewer frauds if you just supply the games. Okay, so in short, for accepting stolen money and failing to prevent money laundering, which potentially could mean this financing, I don't know if I can say this word on YouTube, they got 10 or 20 million pounds fine. This is a small fine. Are these licenses revoked? No. Are these operators punished by regulators in other markets because the UK Gambling Commission fined them? I'm not aware anything like that. Lastly, let's see Entain's case because they had a settlement with the UK prosecuting authority for £600 million. They were operating in a black market in Turkey for years, so kind of illegal at this point. But the true problem was bribery for the authorities, the local Turkish authorities. They bribed local officers for years. Andrew Rhodes, the CEO of the UK Gambling Commission, warned that the removal of the Entail license to operate in Great Britain would be a very real possibility. They didn't do anything. Just threatening, yes, but no big deal. No big change in their operations. Did they eventually revoke their license? No. Did Evolution do anything shady like these guys? I don't think so. But let me know if I miss something. I'm no legal expert. This is what you have. That's the Tegus expert call, so you can read it. Basically, can they do something? In short answer, they would never do anything. The Gambling Commission often gives out fines, and they are giving out larger and larger fines to big names companies. But these names tend to be for things like responsible gaming breaches or sending offers and content to customers who have self-excluded or not doing proper know your customer checks, KYC checks, that sort of thing. Because Evolution doesn't have the direct link to customers, let me remind you that Evolution is just giving games to casino operators. It's a B2B business, it's not a B2C business. There is little the Gaming Commission would ever do in the UK. So the stock sold off by more than 10% for some amount of money, a little amount of money, a low probability of a fine, a low probability of license revoked. I don't think this is a big issue for the UK. But as always, the stock is getting down, a lot of uncertainties, a lot of fears. I think the fears are overblown. If you have any additional information, please share them in the comment section below. Maybe I'm wrong on this one, but for the moment, I think the UK risk is completely overblown and Evolution AB will do fine, even in the UK. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio. Additionally, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you are blocked, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description to get more information. You will get a video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need to sign up, no need for your email address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.